welcome back to Cozy Home. Today I am so excited. We are going to be making a homemade cinnamon ornament, but before we do, I want to announce that I had joined up with 25 YouTubers and we are giving one lucky winner $1,000. So how to enter, you're going to follow us, or subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and leave a comment on each of those with a Santa emoji or a Christmas tree emoji. All of the rules and information will be linked down below. And I believe, let me see, I want to make sure I get this right. The winner will be announced on the 18th of December by Miss Rachael. She will reach out to you and let you guys know if you won, and you have 24 hours to respond, or she's going to be moving on to the next person. So make sure you guys follow everybody, hit that subscribe button, and leave them a beautiful message with those emojis. Also, if you guys are coming from one of the other ladies and gentlemen's channels, welcome. My name is Jacqueline, and I hope you guys like a cleaning channel. I like to organize, declutter, and I also do a plant-based recipes. So if you guys are looking for some healthy meals, this is a channel, and some clean home. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's go ahead and get started on our homemade cinnamon Christmas ornaments. You're gonna need 1 cup of applesauce. I got that in my bowl already. And you're gonna need 1 1/4 cup of cinnamon. I went ahead and got my stuff at Aldi's, and I got tons of cinnamon because I love cinnamon and I use it for my oatmeal every day. So I probably got too much, but that's okay. I spent a total of $6 because like I said, I got a ton of cinnamon. So you probably could maybe use 3 containers. Maybe, I'm thinking, yeah, about 3 containers, maybe 2 containers. The cinnamon, so that'll be a lot cheaper for you guys. So you don't have to buy. I think I bought like 8 cinnamon bottles. A little overboard on cinnamon. Okay. So there is 1 cup. Let me grab a 1/4 of the cup. And 1 tablespoon of clove. Yeah, tablespoon? Yep. This is optional, so you don't have to do it. But I'm going to go ahead and add it because I think it's going to smell really good in here. Make sure your oven is preheated to 200. And we're going to be mixing this together. You're going to mix this together. You want the dough to be formed into a ball. If you need to add more applesauce, go ahead, or cinnamon. You can mix this with your hands, or right now I'm just using a spatula. And this is going to be nice because it's going to make my house smell really good in here for a long time, because you're going to be baking this for 2 hours. So it's going to smell really, really good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use my hands. Yeah, this is really cool. You don't want it sticky, so this isn't really sticky, so this is pretty good. And I'm able to form, yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm able to form a good ball. So, okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. And I'm gonna clean up my little space. You're going to want to add some cinnamon like you do flour on your surface. It's kind of weird, but then you're going to roll this out. I'm going to go ahead and add some cinnamon. Ooh, that's a lot. my thing. Just a little bit so it doesn't stick. Ah! Oh no. I feel like it's a little sticky still. So I might have to add more cinnamon and then re-roll it. I feel like it's sticky. Add a little bit more cinnamon. Hopefully that will help. Now I'm going to use cookie cutters, and you can use whatever shape you want to make your ornaments. I've got a little snowman and a Christmas tree is what I'm going to start with. I have a metal chopstick, so I'm gonna add my hole to each of these so then I can put my string through them.
Be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
You're going to be baking this ornament for 1.5 hours to 2 hours, making sure that it is rock hard before you use it. I made little balls because I'm thinking about making a garland with the little balls with, I don't know, I haven't figured it out. I thought it might be cute, so I'm gonna try it. Hopefully it turns out really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my mess, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, my friends, they are done. They turned out really cute. What you're gonna want to do is let them cool down for a while, and then what I did is I had these little strings from the dollar store, so I'm gonna be using these to thread through these. So my string. It smells so amazing in here. I actually like the smell of cinnamon, so it's not super strong. So I'm really happy that it wasn't that strong. This would be a great project to do with your children, or just like me, by myself, as I'm home waiting for the kids to come home. So, what do you guys think? Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. These cinnamon ornaments were easy and a fun thing to make. You could do this with your kids, and don't forget to leave a comment below putting a Santa emoji or a Christmas tree emoji, and all of our links are going to be down below. And good luck to you guys. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and Merry Christmas. Bye guys.